Thank you for calling Acur-It Imports, established in 1980. We specialize in Honda, Acura, Lexus, Toyota, Nissan, Subaru, and Mazda vehicles. We also service many other makes and models. Ask one of our helpful service advisors about your vehicle today. Acur-It Imports features outstanding factory-trained master technicians. Our shop foreman, David Lemmer, has been selected to receive the Technician of the Year Award, presented by the ASE Automotive Technician Association. David was selected based on a search of all technicians employed by an ASCCA shop in the United States and Canada. Additionally, David also teaches several automotive repair classes at the Santa Rosa Junior College. A very special congratulations to Acur-It Imports shop foreman David Lemmer. Acur-It Imports has received the 2008 Best of Rohnert Park Business Award. This award is presented by the U.S. Local Business Association. Each year, the USLBA identifies companies that they believe have achieved exceptional service to their customers and community. Acur-It Imports is also a 7-year recipient of the prestigious Diamond Certified Award for highest in quality, trust, and customer satisfaction. You can feel confident that Acur-It Imports will complete your automotive repair with exceptional expertise and diligent customer service. Acur-It Imports features a host of services for your automotive needs. From basic maintenance to complex diagnosis and repair, Acur-It Imports has you and your family covered. Our factory-recommended services will keep your vehicle warranty valid and your car operational for years to come. Also, when scheduling service or repair, reserve one of our free loaner cars for your convenience. Thank you for trusting Acur-It Imports with all of your automotive service needs. And a great big thanks from William, Russell, Laird, Josh, Rain, Mo, and David.